Welcome back everybody. So guys, finally we're just starting to learn the PHP now, a world famous programming language. I'm just going to teach you. So what I'm just going to teach you for now, I'm just going to save the page. Where I'm going to save the page? I'm going to save the page there in a PHP folder which we just created in a previous class in the htdocs folder. So I'm just going inside the htdocs. I'm just going to guide you again that where it is. We just need to go to the XAMPP folder, and where's the XAMPP folder? The XAMPP folder is in the C drive, and there is the XAMPP folder. We just need to go inside the XAMPP folder and then the htdocs. This is the server address, which actually the main address to do anything in a PHP. And now this is the PHP folder I've just created. I'm deleting that folder and just creating a new folder again. Okay, I'm just typing the learn PHP. Okay, now I'm just saving the file inside the learn PHP, and now the file format, the extension index, okay, index.html, dot PHP. This is necessary to save the file in this format .php. Now this is the save as type. Let's just click on the save as type, the normal text file for now, but I'm just going to search for the PHP. This is not really necessary to select the file of the PHP. This is a PHP format because we just already selected the PHP format here, the PHP extension here, so this is not necessary to select the PHP format from there, but it's okay, not bad. Let's just simply click on the save button. Now the file has been saved, and now you just can start working on a PHP. Now the second thing is how we can open the PHP file on the browser. For example, I've just created the file here in a PHP. Right now what I'm just doing, I'm just simply typing hello world. Okay, save the file. Okay, so now how I'm just gonna select this file in a PHP, any browser. Where is the file? I'm just gonna go to the browser, the folder, there is the learn PHP folder. I'm just going inside, and now I'm just gonna open the file, and now I'm just gonna pick the file and pasting any browser. So yeah, I'm getting the hello world. Pretty awesome. That means it's working. But actually, if I just go back and create some PHP content, I'm just creating the PHP content or the HTML content also. The h2, I'm just typing the h2 for now, h2, and I'm just going there, the h2 again, and saving. Now I'm just going to the browser and refresh the page. So now you can see that the h2, instead of showing us the result, it's the h2. However, we can do this in a simple HTML, or when we just apply the simple bootstrap on the HTML. Basically, if the file extension is the HTML, so we can do that. But in a PHP, we just cannot do that, because in this way there is no reason to apply the server, that this file is coming from the server. So basically we just need to open the file through the server, and the server is the local host / now the folder name, close that. The folder name, what is the folder name? The folder name is learn PHP, and the file name is index.html. Okay, this is the htdocs is not necessary to type in a browser, because actually the server address, it starts from there. Actually server knows the C, the XAMPP, and the htdocs. Server when you just type the localhost, then server means type something after the htdocs. So here, just after the htdocs, I'm just typing the learn PHP and press enter. Now you can see the hello world in the actual way. This way, which actually has the h2. If I just apply the h1 for now, and I'm just gonna test that. Let's just click on save button and press Ctrl S and go to the browser back and refresh the folder, the browser. So now this is little capital. That means it's working perfectly. Well, this is not a PHP syntax. This is a simple rule that we just have to type the local host in a browser, which you did already. So now what is necessary and how we can work on the PHP? Basically, PHP also has the tags just like the HTML, but PHP tags are a little different from the HTML. For applying the PHP in a page, we just don't need to put the extension as the PHP, but also we just need to create the specific PHP tag. This is the starting tag, and that one is the ending tag. We just need to create all the things of the PHP inside these both tags. In a PHP, we just need to put the we just can type the echo to print anything through the PHP in a document. This is the echo command. Otherwise you just cannot. For example, if I just directly type the hello world, but now that we just applied the PHP tags around this hello world. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing the page. So I'm getting some kind of error they're just telling that syntax error, the world. If I just go to the browser, yeah, the world in etc, they're just telling that this should not be there. After the hello, there should be something different instead of the world. Exactly, there is the syntax error. By the way, why I'm just getting this error, this is interesting feature of the PHP, that we are just getting the error also, that in fact this is just guiding us that the error is in line number 2 in the page, in index.php page, in line number 2. That means this is really awesome. Basically, why I'm just getting this error number, including the line number in etc, and the detail of the error also, the unexpected world, the word world unexpected here, just because it's coming from the server. It's not directly coming from the file, you know, that it's firstly going to the server, then server is checking for the database, and there is no database for now, so it's just sending us the result to us. Now something more I just want to show you later, but first I just want to show about the how to print anything through using the PHP. So I'm just deleting this hello world. If you just want to print anything, print means just applying something on a screen, anything, just rendering. You can say just rendering, as we just render anything in HTML. So how we can print anything, we just can use two commands, both working in the same way, the print command and the echo command. I personally use the echo, but there is no difference between the print and the echo. So first I'm just going to teach about the echo command. The second, for the second one, I'll just teach you about the print command. Now the second important thing about the syntax, I just applied the echo because I'm just gonna use the echo for now. So I'm just putting some content here by using the echo. So I just cannot type directly by using the equals, the hello world, or by using the equal sign or something. This is just directly put the echo, type the echo, and add a space, and then add the content. But because you're just simply typing the text, I'm just gonna guide you about the text or the different types. Basically, there are some specific data types like the integer, the string, and the different kind of data types here. So this one is the string, or you can say the simple text. The simple text must be inside a double or single quotes. I hope you understood what I'm just telling. So please continue. Put the double quotes. I prefer the double quotes for the PHP for some reasons. I'll guide you later on. You can use the single quotes as well. So I just applied the double quotes for now. Let's just put something like I'm just typing here the hello world, and now save, and I'm just going back to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see the hello world here, and now save. You can see that here is the hello world. That means just printed. If I just go back to the browser, and if I just type the print instead of the echo, so go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that it's still the hello world. Something more I just want to clear you about the PHP, about the basic syntax of the PHP, that if you just press enter here and just type another print or echo, I'm just gonna type the echo just for confirming you that both are working in the same way. So I'm just typing here the hello students. So basically I'm not calling the whole word, I'm just calling you, my students, the hello students. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Wow, the hello world and the hello students in the same line. This is not a good way. Basically, when I just put an enter here, a line break here, so why they both are in the same line? Because PHP also has no value for the white spaces. So for the white spaces and different kind of things, you have to apply some specific commands. In fact, you also can apply the HTML tags as well. So guys, this is the PHP. I hope you understood that very well. Something more, maybe you have some questions about these, semicolons. Basically, you've learned about the JavaScript already, so you should not ask about these things, the semicolons, but I'm just going to clear about that. Basically, to end up any statement, we need to use the semicolons. Okay, to end up any statement in a PHP, in a JavaScript, and in a jQuery also, we just need to use the semicolons. So I'm just doing here the same thing. By the way, what I'm just removing that line and saving, and I'm just going to show you what happens. This is not happens in the JavaScript, but here you can see that unexpected echo. It's just clearing that the echo should not be on line number 3, because exactly this statement is not completed. So how we can start new statement? So now I'm just adding this statement. Now I'm not gonna get any more error. Refresh the page, because the statement is completed. Well guys, I'm gonna teach you some more things about the PHP in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.